Hi, this is Donna Evers, president of Evers & Company Real Estate with your February real estate report for the close-in metro area. Well, as everybody is aware, we've had an unusual spring with a lot of snow, and believe me, that has impacted the real estate market so far. You're not going to be putting your house on the market if there's 10 inches of snow on the ground, and if it's your driveway is icy and your front walk is icy and people could fall down and hurt themselves. So what's happened in a market that had plenty of pressure behind it, plenty of buyer demand, lots of consumer confidence, and not enough product, is that we are sort of even more so in that same situation, so that we're going to have tremendous pressure on the market from now on, mid-March, right on through, I predict right on through July. We're going to have a very, very busy market. And April, May, June are going to be pretty crazy, I think, in terms of lots of buyers looking for properties in a situation where we will still not have a whole lot of stuff for sale. So that's the bad news and the good news, you could say. Bad news being that the weather has held back the market, but the good news being that there's plenty of demand out there, plenty of consumer confidence, and we need to, of course, have new listings to go on the market. So here's my advice for buyers and sellers. Buyers, you've got to be really, really well prepared before you go out there and start shopping, because you've got to have all your finances in order and know exactly how much you can afford to buy. If you think you can buy $700,000, peel it back to $600,000 so that you can compete in what is going to be a highly competitive market. Sellers, good news and bad news. We're going to be going up this year, I predict, 10%, whereas last year we went up in price about 5.6%. It's going to be more this year. However, you still can't overprice your property. You still have to look at the other comparables and price accordingly, and your house should look beautiful. Can't have any peeling paint or wallpaper or things that don't look good. Everything has to look gorgeous in order for you to be at the top of the hit parade and get the very best price you can for your property. So that's the good news and the bad news about what's happened so far in the spring market and what I believe will happen for the remainder of the spring market. Thank you.